Now that we have the tubes and the amplifier out of the box, let's talk about each of the tubes. The larger tube we have here is the rectifier tube. The small tubes are the driver tubes. There is one for each channel. The medium-sized tubes are the power tubes. There is also one for each channel. We're going to first install the rectifier tube. On the base of the tube, there is a guide pin. This is the pin that is in the center of the tube. There is also a notch on this guide pin. This notch needs to be lined up to the tube socket. For the smaller driver tube, we're going to do the same thing. Again, the guide pin needs to line up to the tube socket. The power tube also has a guide pin. When the tubes are installed correctly, there should not be any gaps between the chassis of the amplifier and the tube itself. Before powering on your WA22, take a look at the voltage switch. Make sure that it is in the correct voltage for your country. Your WA22 uses the industry standard AC inlet. A basic AC power cord is not included. We recommend using a high quality cable from Nordos cables or Kimber cables. Connect the AC power cable to your WA22. Make sure the volume dial is at the minimum position. And now we're ready to turn on the WA22. The blue light will blink momentarily, and once the turn on process is complete, the blue light will stop blinking and will stay on. Now it may be hard to see the tubes glowing in a bright environment like what we have here.